Hey, Nikki Brown here. No matter where you are, what part of the world you're in, I hope that you're having a good day. So I just opened this bag of daring Cajun plant-based chicken pieces, and this is what they look like. This is a 8-ounce package, and I'm going to put a few pieces in some grapeseed oil that I just put on. So here we are. And we'll see what they look like when they're done. So here's the back of the bag. It only take about 5 to 6 minutes or 3 to 4 minutes if frozen. I'm sorry, 5 to 6 minutes if frozen and 3 to 4 minutes if thawed. Cook until golden on both sides. Add to your favorite dish and enjoy. So I may put them on top of a salad. And here are the ingredients. Yes, it contains soy, so if you don't do soy, this is not the product for you. But if you don't mind soy in moderation, then this is something you may want to try. And here's what they look like flipped over. Okay, so here's the final outcome, and I'm just draining them on a paper towel. And now I'm going to place them on top of my salad. And I'm going to add a little bit of liquid amino. Well, let me try one first. It's still kind of hot. Those are pretty good. Liquid amino, a little bit of my homemade dressing, some garlic and herb seasoning, and a little bit of salt. Oh, I forgot my tomato, so hold on. And here we are, our plant-based chicken salad. I added some tomato and cucumber. You can add onion. I have avocado, but they're a little too firm right now. And I won't cook the chicken as long next time, but it is pretty tasty. So if you decide to try the daring chicken pieces, I hope that you enjoy. Love y'all. Later. Mwah.